Hey everybody, Terry here, and I wanted to give you a quick update. I know I haven't uploaded any videos in a while for the Z3. That's because I've been working on a bunch of different cars for different co-workers. And right now I have a 2014 BMW 528. It's got the N20 engine. I'm in the process of doing an oil pan replacement. So I got the gasket was no good, but I didn't want to put the plastic pan back on it because these tend to warp, and I didn't want to go through all the effort of putting it back on and find out that it had warped. So what I did for my customer is I am upgrading them to an aluminum pan. So I'm in the process. I just got it fitted in. I still got to bolt it down, but I went ahead and I got that slipped in. So I've been quite busy working on other vehicles right now. I did a valve cover replacement on this car. I did a tune-up, so spark plugs and new ignition coils on here. I also replaced this little sensor right here for the fuel, for the high pressure fuel pump. And replaced that one. And then the one that goes on the actual fuel rail back there. Replaced that for this customer. He still needs more stuff. His AC compressor pulley is completely jacked up. This is loose and broken on here. So I don't do AC work. So I told him he needs to take it into a shop to get the compressor replaced, because unfortunately you can't just replace the pulley on the compressor. You have to replace the whole compressor. That means disconnecting. That means you have to purge the system and then recharge it after you put that in. So he'll have to do that, because right now if he runs his AC, this stuff grinds real bad and it's gonna break his belts. But there you go, quick update of what I've been up to since I haven't been able to make any content for the Z3. I do have things planned. I still got to get the new wheels put on it. I gotta restore those wheels as well. I gotta get, what else was I have? I had other things planned. Oh yeah, my idler pulley and stuff. I want to replace those. I every now and then I'll get like a squeal, but it's very rare. It's not that often. So I want to go ahead and change those pulleys for the serpentine belt there and get those updated. And then at some point I still got to do the rear CV axles, because the bearings are bad on the passenger side. So there will be more Z3 content. Right now I've just been busy working on other cars, trying to get some extra funds so I can continue working on my car. But I hope you guys enjoy the video, and just please be patient. I'm hoping to get back to the Z3 here soon.